Good morning. So, are you ready to join ship? Okay, very good. Okay. So, now after passing out, you will be going to your home. Then, do not wait. No matter gusty and prepare your bag. Pack your baggage. Okay. You must pack your baggage. Now, what to pack in baggage? You have been issued with uniforms? Yes, sir. Keep your uniforms. Black pant, white shirt and your shoes. Then keep undergarments and keep at least 10 pieces. Or take some sandals t-shirt, half neck wali. So what happened, because when there is a summer and you are in engine room, what will you do? आप उसको पहनेंगे, then you will put on the boiler suit. So when it is become wet, and the undervest and this your sandal t-shirt will be of cotton. So when it is getting wet, then what happens? It absorbs the sweat and it become wet. So you remain cool down. You will like and you will remain cool. So when you remain cool, you can work better. Your efficiency is more better, because sometimes the boiler suits are not of cotton. Boiler suits can be of little synthetic material and it will irritate your skin. Okay. So have your at least 10 pair of socks, 10 vest, 10 आपके underwears, socks. Socks should be a cotton one. Some places you get the crew socks, very soft one. Otherwise you can, in India also you can get from mall and all, very good socks. Then toothpaste. You should have toothpaste at least 200 gram one tube, at least one, maybe two. Okay. It depends on you कि आप एक लेके जाते हैं, दो लेके जाते हैं, कितना पेस्ट आप अपने दांत घिसते हैं. Okay. Toothbrushes. Sometimes you get on board, but sometimes you don't get on board. Then you face a lot of problem. So whatever your essentials, they are to be kept with you. Make one separate bag. I think everybody is carrying laptop nowadays. So if you are carrying a laptop you will keep separate. One folder for your documents, your CTC, your passport, your COC if you have. If not, then your certificates, your original certificate, everything should be kept. And also make PDF and JPG of your documents. So it is in digital form, because some people say we want in PDF form, some people say we want in JPG form. So you should have both. Scanned all documents, so they are available in digital form. In case they are lost, you can still recover. Okay. Keep that bag better than your girlfriend, your life. Yes, it's your life, because if you have your certificates, you can get the job. If you don't have certificate, you will not get job. So it is very important to keep your documents in line and with you. Do not believe on anybody and do not give that bag to anyone. Keep with you, totally with you. When you will go to the shipping company, then they will provide you boiler suit, safety shoes and all. But it's better to keep your uniform, some civil clothes like t-shirts, your tie, your shirts, white shirt very important, colored also, because many times you may get chance to go out of ship for the work, right? What else? Sandal, baggage strap is must. Why? Because on board bathroom sleepers are not allowed outside your cabin. Outside your room it is not allowed, so you have to have the baggage strap. Sandal And because many times suppose you have some problem, you can in the evening without shoes you can go with the back steps. But such things are not allowed just in ship or engine room and all. So I hope everyone you have understood. Be safe, take your things safe, keep your documents and items safe. Okay. Achha, one more thing. Many times you lose the luggage in between. You must complain. If your luggage is broken in the flight, you must complain. So there are places where you get your suitcase and plus $300 or $100 or $150 for replacement of your luggage. And if your luggage is missing, you can report. You might get the money for your luggage. Okay? Right. Chalo, okay, all the best for you and enjoy life.